vintage pick, something new.
I'm getting a video.
Oh wow, wow.
I want to drop my phone in. That is so cool.
Ultra close up of me.
Kinks out of the system. Gradually, we began turning ourselves into sailors. One of our stops was in Washington, D.C., where my Aunt and Gina invited us to stay for the night at her house. I had been looking for
Chef Carlin doling out the creamy bacon carbonara.
Do you want it to be pouring or do you want it pre-poured?
This is a video.
Feasting.
Gramming.
Morning rapids.
Morning. Wow, we got some beer. White on her flank. White Bum was gregarious and would be drawn to the sound of Jonathan doing cannonballs off the boat. She announced her arrival.
So cool. Yeah, half a second of shade. Amazing.
Very cool.
And it's wild that the business could be that lucrative that they would build tracks all the way through the middle of nowhere. The winds had blown northern magic to Scarborough, just north of Brisbane, a lovely little town on Queensland's west coast. It was now our second day.
It's windy.
We're doing it! We're officially canoers!
Relatable.
Wow. That was crazy.
Perfect. That's beautiful with the curl at the end. What a connoisseur.
The gravy?
Can I go in with my lid? Yeah, it tastes like gravy.
Juice?
I'm excited.
What did you want a more bigger reaction from me?
Oh, Jill,
Yeah, Carlin?
would you like to try some of this gravy?
Sure would.
Right on.
Wowza!
Oh my gosh, exciting!
That knocked my socks off. Oh boy. I'm glad we could be making these memories together.
You and me both.
I wear t-shirts.
Oh God.
I'm on the bleachers dreaming about the day.
You wake up and find that what you're looking for has been here the whole God.
If you're
gonna go to the left of the stick.
hit the stick. Damn, I thought this was our day, you know? I very quietly thought to myself, today's the day.
happy that we don't bottom out.
And I was like, I'm gonna tell my parents, they're gonna be proud of us. But no.
We're screwed.
Oh gosh. Cheers, man. Cheers.
Cute.
I'm just honored you guys brought me, even if it's just for the morning rapids, or were you saying good morning to the rapids?